Dear students, yesterday we have seen how to get the information from file maybe by using get and how to put the information to file by using put. And there is one more function called get line. It is used to read whole line of text, one line of information. If the file contains 3-4 lines of information, one by one line we can read by the help of this get line function. That is, fin is an object which is of input stream. Dot getLine is a function, and buffer is a temporary area, and we can specify the size. Commonly one line contains 80 characters. You can specify size as 80. Then it reads size characters from the file represented by the object fin or till the new line character is encountered. Example, char book of size. ifstream fin.getLine book, size. That means book is a one array with size. Maybe for example, book of 80. Then 80 characters we can store in the array called book. fin.getLine book, size. So by using this getLine function, we can read 80 characters from the book. Characters into the book. Input and output operation in binary file. For the input and output operation, we will use write and read member functions. Write is to write set of characters into the file. Read is to read set of characters from the file. Maybe for example, if one record contains name, address, place, contact number, all those information we can write at a time, and we can read at a time by the help of write and read functions. And the syntax is ofstream object. It is an output stream. For write we need output stream. Output stream object dot write, and we have to specify in which type of format it is writing. So char star, write it in character form. It is common. Okay, we are not changing this char star because when the information the C++ writing into the file, it will be in the form of character. Ampersand variable, that is address of variable, size of variable. That means this is a starting point. From this starting point, how many number of characters it has to read. That is ampersand variable, size of variable. Example, student S, ofstream fout, std.dat, that is a file name, iOS binary, open it in binary mode, fout.write, char star, ampersand yes, that is a yes object, size of s. That means whatever is there in this yes object, write into the file called std.dat. Then the read. Whatever we have written onto the file, that we can read by the help of read function. So the same syntax, that is a stream object dot read char star ampersand variable, size of variable. So these functions take two arguments, same like write. Student S, ifstream fin std.dat, iOS binary, then dot write. Okay, write the yes object into the file. In dot write char star ampersand yes, size of yes. Then in this file, we can detect the end of file, maybe by using evof. ifstream fin, if fin.evof, we can write the statement. We are at the end of a file, maybe by using cout. So this is used to execute set of statement on reaching the end of the file by the object file. File pointers and their manipulators. So for the input and output pointer, there will be a get pointer and put pointer. When we are reading, there will be a get pointer. When we are writing, there will be a put pointer. So we use these pointers to move through file while reading or writing. That means when we are reading W, the get pointer may be at W. Again E, get pointer may be at E. In this way it moves, and it at the end when it reaches to EOF, it stops. There are three modes to while opening a file. We can read, we can write, and we can append. That means we can open the file for reading purpose, we can open the file for writing purpose, we can open a file that is for the existing file, we can write at the end. Read mode, we can read this information, okay, and the file pointer may be at this position. Write mode, file pointer may be at this position, we can write the information. Append mode, file pointer will be at the end, okay, at the end, and from there we can start writing the information. That means it will keep the previous information as it is and writes the new information. So there are some functions for manipulation of file pointers. Okay, this is commonly asked question. Functions for manipulators of file pointer. Seek G. So seek means searching process. We will call it as a seeking. Seeking means searching. Seek G. Get file pointer to a specified location. That's why the name seek G. Get file pointer to the specific position. Seek P. Put pointer at specific position. Seek P. Tell G. That means when we are moving, maybe from using seek G, maybe you are at this position. Then we can take this yes position by the help of tell G. Returns the current position of the get pointer. In the same way, where the put pointer is, we can take that position by using tell P. That means for the seek P, tell P are related, seek G and tell G are related. So seek P and tell P are member function of OF stream. Seek G and tell G are member function of IF stream. All four functions are available in the class F stream. Okay, that we have to remember. Okay, seek G. How the syntax is? Seek G long. Directly we can specify the number. Seek G 10. Directly it takes you to the 10th position. Seek G offset seek direction. That means we can specify in which way we want to move and in which way we want to take. Maybe in the forward direction, maybe in the backward direction. That we can specify. The seek G moves the get pointer to a specified location from the beginning of a file. Maybe for example, file pointer, that is file object dot seek G 20. From the beginning position, it will take you to the 20th character position. Seek G offset, seek direction. Okay, we can specify the offset indicates the number of bytes the get pointer is to be moved from seek dir position, and the seek direction, that may be IOS beginning, IOS CUR, IOS end. That means wherever the pointer is, from the beginning, search the information or move to the particular position. IOS BEG from the beginning. IOS current from the current cursor position. IOS end from the end, move in a backward direction. Okay, in this way, in the seek G, we can take the seek direction. It may be any one of these constant. IOS BEG, IOS CUR, IOS end. And the offset is the integer number. We can specify the position it is. Okay, for example, we can see object.seekg 0 IOS BEG takes a get pointer to the beginning of the file. Object.seekg 0, IOS end. It takes the cursor to the end of a file. Object.seekg 0, IOS CUR stays the get pointer at the same position. M, IOS beginning moves forward by M plus 1 bytes in the file. Object.seekg minus M IOS end. From the end, it takes in the backward direction. Even for the seek P, there are two types. The same type of method. Seek P long, seek P integer number. Seek P, we can specify the integer number, that is character position, then the direction. Okay, here you can see object.seekp 0 is beginning. Same way, go to the beginning of the file for writing purpose. That you have to remember. Seek G is for reading purpose, it moves the file pointer, and the seek P for the writing purpose moves the file pointer. And tell G and tell P. Tell G returns the current position of the get pointer. Tell P returns the current position of the put pointer. Position is equal to if stream object, that is stream object instance dot tell g. Okay, where it is int position is equal to find dot tell g. In the same way, tell p returns the current position of the put pointer. Okay, then the basic operation, which are the basic operation we'll perform on the binary file, that is searching. Maybe for example, make the assumption you have a MS Word. In MS Word there is a find. Control F if you take, then that is a find. Then whatever word you are typing, it will search in the MS Word document. Same way here, if there is a file with information in C++, we can do the searching operation, maybe by using seek G, seek P. Okay, appending the data, we can add the data at the end when there is already one file with some information. Inserting data in sorted files, already if there is a sorted file, we can add it at the end. By that easily we can search the information. So the searching information on sorted file takes less time compared to unsorted file. Deleting a record, we can delete one specific record, okay, at one position. Then we can make the changes in the data. Okay, these are the concepts related to stream classes. Okay, remember, put, get, seek G, seek P, tell G, tell P, get line. So these are the common functions. And then read and write. To read full information from the file, okay, one record let me set of character, full object of information. Object contains so many information, maybe name, address, all information we can read by the help of read, all information we can write by the help of write. Okay, and then we can do the modify the data, delete a record. Okay, so here there are questions, like there will be a 2 marks question, 1 question, and 3 marks, 1 question, totally 5 marks. Even some questions are given. You can see here differentiate between IF stream and OF stream. Okay, it's been like March 2015. Differentiate between IF stream and OF stream. IF stream is for input operation, OF stream is for output operation. And remember, input operation means reading, output operation means writing. Okay, don't confuse with that concept. Okay, what is stream? Okay, stream is one method by that we can read information from the file or we can write information onto the file. Okay, stream is one class or one method. By that we can do the input and output operation with the file. Mention any one stream used in C++, that is IF stream, OF stream. Okay, write any two member functions belonging to the OF stream class. Mention any two member functions belonging to OF stream for the output operation. For output operation, we will use put and write, two member function. Okay, OF stream, put and write. Okay, and write any two member function belonging to IF stream, get and read, or maybe get line. Okay, these are functions belonging to IF stream class. Okay, even the seek G is for the IF stream and the seek P is for the OF stream. Differentiate between read and write. To read set of information, okay, set of fields or one whole object, we will use read. Write, to write whole object into the file. Differentiate between put and get function with reference to binary files. Put is to write one character at a time into the file. Get is to read one character at a time from the file. Even there are 3 marks questions. Give the function of put, get and get line with respect to text file. So everything is there in the notes. Just refer it as I explained in the last class and this current class. List the different modes of opening a file with their meaning in C++. Okay, read mode, write mode, and the append mode. Okay, ATE mode, all those things are we can mention in this one. So give the functions for the following. Get, you have to write the syntax of get line, read. Okay, mention the types of data files, explain, mention the types of data files. So there will be like binary and text files. Okay, explain any three modes of opening a file in C++. So three modes. So that is iOS beginning, BEG, iOS end, and iOS EPP. Write the member function belong to iStream. This chapter is easy comparatively, just the for the theory concept. So just be prepared with these questions. Thank you. God bless you.